Let's get you the latest updates on the COVID vaccine front. The Serum Institute of India's CEO Adar Poonawalla has said that the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine will in fact be available for healthcare workers, for the elderly by around February 2021. The general public will be able to access the vaccine 2 months later, which is by April 2021. Poonawalla added that the maximum price can go up to 1,000 rupees for 2 necessary doses. Serum Institute, remember, is conducting phase 2 and 3 trials in India for the Oxford vaccine. Yesterday, you had UK media reports also confirming that the work is on for this particular vaccine, and that we could in fact see scientists claiming that the vaccine boosted immunity in 99% of the people and found no serious side effects. And official reports, of course, still awaited. So far, Pfizer, Moderna and Russia's Sputnik V claim over 90% efficacy in ongoing vaccine trials. The European Union's top officials said that Pfizer and Moderna vaccines could receive conditional market authorization by December. So while everyone's focusing on the developments with regards to the hunt for a vaccine, once it is out, then what? Well, the challenge doesn't stop there. Our data intelligence unit has compiled together data that breaks down how logistically also there will be several challenges with regards to vaccine distribution. If you look at globally what it will take for the vaccine to be distributed, nearly 15,000 flights would be needed for global coverage of the COVID-19 vaccine, and this is over a span of 2 years. There will also be 2 lakh movements, and this is by pallet shippers, which means boxed container shippers, which will be traveling across the world to spread the vaccine further. 15 million deliveries, a whopping 15 million deliveries in cooling boxes would be required to ship these vaccines, because remember, they have to be stored in separate temperatures to ensure that they can still be given as doses. And 10 billion doses in stringent and conventional scenarios will be sent across. And this is a rough estimate based on the information that we've really received. 10 billion doses in different scenarios will have to be given out. So it is going to be a big challenge, something that different countries have different strategies to deal with. Now, as we wait for a vaccine, there is a team of young Indian scientists who successfully developed a groundbreaking paper-based COVID test. Milind Sharma brings you this report on exactly how the Feluda test works. A major milestone in India's battle against COVID. Developed by CSIR's Premium Institute of Genomic and Integrative Biology, the Feluda paper test promises to nail the virus like its namesake. Satyajit Ray's timeless detective character did to criminals. Developed by Dr. Shouvik Maity and Dr. Chakrabarti, the test uses saliva or blood. It's cheaper, faster and easier, just like a pregnancy test kit.
This complex is then put on a strip, and this is how a strip actually looks like. If you see over here, the strip has got 2 lines on the top and at the bottom. So the top line is called a control line, in which basically is there in every strip that you can see over here. On this line, it's telling us if the strip has worked fine, so if the assay has worked fine. And there is a bottom line, which is actually the test line. If this test line is present, then in this case it tells us that the original sample had COVID in it, or the SARS-CoV-2 genetic material, which was the RNA in it. If it is negative, like something like this, then it tells us that there was no presence of that virus there. So this is an example of a positive, and this is an example of a negative.
The team worked on this product for 2 years, but with Wuhan origin pandemic peaking, it was made COVID specific.
In this, we generally add the solution that has this RNP complex in it. That means the CRISPR-Cas9 complex. So control line हमेशा आता है. So control line basically tells, और ये control line within 1 minute you will get. अगर 1 minute से ज्यादा लगता है, that means it's the negative case generally. It's not that easy कि हमें लगता है कि 2 घंटे से हम 1 घंटे में आ गए बहुत जल्दी, but हमने actually दिन रात मेहनत करके काफी कुछ standardize किया, so that कि हम लोग cost effective बना सके.
The simplicity of the test makes it suitable for use even in small pathological labs.
हम लोगों ने पहले इस पे ट्राई किया कि हम उसको टाइम को कम करें और पैसा मतलब साइड में कॉस्ट भी इफेक्टिव बनाए. तो टाइम वाज लाइक इनिशियली इट वाज टेकिंग 2.5 hours एज ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, बट देन वी स्ट्रगल्ड अ बिट एंड देन हमने उसको ऑप्टिमाइज किया और अच्छे से ऑप्टिमाइज किया. नाउ वी कैन बी श्योर दैट इट कैन वर्क विद इन 45 to 1 hour. कोई भी लैब, कोई भी स्टूडेंट जो हल्का या फिर बेसिक नॉलेज रखता है ऑन पीसीआर एंड देन एम्प्लीफिकेशन, वो हिसाब का कर सके.
As accurate as an RT-PCR test, which can cost 2,400 rupees, Feluda costs just 500 rupees and takes all of 45 minutes. Now approved by India's top pharma body DCGI, the test promises to be a game changer to flatten the COVID curve.
These young scientists have worked for 4 months to develop a fast and cheaper solution to test for COVID-19. The paper-based test happens to be one-stop solution that would be affordable, with the price would be fixed at around 400 to 500 rupees. Other than the tests right now that are costing about 4,000 to 5,000 rupees in the market. And CSIR is hopeful that with further approvals, it will soon be introduced for everybody in the country. With Ashwini Helen, this is Milan Sharma in New Delhi for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.